This is the Velocity Micro Raptor Z55a, and it's trying to answer a big question a lot of PC buyers are quietly asking right now. Is a boutique pre-built actually worth the premium anymore? Because on paper, this thing looks like an absolute monster, but after digging into real-world performance, thermals, and day-to-day usability, there's one detail that most spec sheets won't warn you about, and it might matter more than raw FPS. Let's talk about it. Velocity Micro Raptor Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Velocity Micro Raptor Z55a is a high-end boutique gaming desktop from Velocity Micro, a US-based system integrator that's been around for decades. This model launched in late 2024 and is aimed squarely at enthusiast gamers, creators, and professionals who want top-tier performance without building a PC themselves. The big selling point here is premium component selection and meticulous assembly. We're talking flagship AMD Ryzen CPUs, RTX 40 series GPUs, high-quality power supplies, and extremely clean cable management. Pricing starts high and climbs fast depending on configuration, but Velocity Micro is betting that build quality and reliability justify that cost. Velocity Micro Raptor Performance. In gaming, the Raptor Z55a absolutely chews through modern titles. Whether you're running Cyberpunk 2077 at Ultra with ray tracing, Warzone at high refresh rates, or juggling competitive shooters on a 240Hz monitor, this system doesn't blink. Frame pacing is smooth, load times are basically non-existent, and multitasking while gaming, Discord, browser tabs, recording software, never feels like a compromise. For creators, this thing shines even brighter. Exporting 4K video in Premiere Pro, rendering 3D scenes, or compiling large code projects feels effortless. Reviews from outlets like Tom's Hardware and Tech Cower-Up consistently point out how well high-end Ryzen CPUs paired with RTX GPUs handle mixed workloads, and the Z55a delivers exactly that experience. The real surprise? Thermals. Even under sustained load, the system stays quieter than you'd expect, which honestly makes long sessions way more enjoyable. Features and tech. Let's talk about what actually makes the Raptor Z55a special. First up, premium component selection. Velocity Micro doesn't cheap out. You're getting name-brand motherboards, fast NVMe Gen 4 storage, and reliable PSUs. That matters because it translates to fewer crashes, better longevity, and easier upgrades down the road. Second, thermal design and airflow. The case and cooling setup are clearly chosen with intent. High-quality air or liquid cooling options mean your CPU and GPU can maintain boost clocks longer, which directly impacts gaming performance and render times. Third, clean assembly and testing. Every system is hand-assembled and stress-tested. That means when it arrives, you're not troubleshooting weird issues or reseating cables. You plug it in and get to work, or play. Finally, US-based support. This is a big one. Velocity Micro's customer support has a strong reputation, and if something goes wrong, you're dealing with real people who know the system inside and out. Design and build. Design-wise, the Raptor Z55a is clean, understated, and unapologetically premium. No gamer spaceship vibes here. The case feels solid, panels don't flex, and everything lines up perfectly. Inside, cable management is immaculate, like Instagram build levels of tidy. It's not flashy unless you want it to be. RGB is tasteful and customizable, not blinded. The overall aesthetic fits just as well in a home office as it does in a gaming setup. The only downside, it's a bit heavy and large, so this is definitely a set-it-and-forget-it desktop. Upgradability and connectivity. One thing I really appreciate here is future-proofing. You've got plenty of room for additional storage, extra RAM, and even GPU upgrades down the line, assuming power requirements don't go wild. Port selection is solid too. Multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, fast Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the essentials are all here. Basically, no dongle panic when you're plugging in peripherals, external drives, or VR gear. Pros. Outstanding gaming and creator performance. Premium components with excellent thermals. Immaculate build quality and cable management.
reliable US-based customer support. Cons: expensive compared to DIY or mass-market pre-builts. Limited customization after purchase. Final verdict. Look, if you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or professional who wants top-tier performance without the hassle of building a PC, this is an easy recommendation. You're paying extra, yes, but you're paying for peace of mind, premium parts, and a system that just works. If you're the kind of person who loves tweaking, hunting deals, and building PCs yourself, you can absolutely get similar performance for less money, but you won't get this level of assembly quality or support.